first I left old England shore, such yarns as we were told, as how folks in Australia could pick up lumps of gold. So when we got to Melbourne town, we were ready soon to slip and get even with the captain and scuttle from the ship. With his swag upon me shoulder, Black Billy in me hand, I travel the bush of Australia like a true born native man.
G'day guys and girls, Ful-O Gold here, just out doing some detecting with the gold monster. Just a quick video. Out here there's a lot of reef mining, and I've been sort of raking down a little bit, and yeah, just got this target down here that was really screaming. I got it in my hand, and as you can see, she's a screamer. So here it is. It's a real nice specimen of visible gold. So happy days. Rinsed it on my water tank on my ute so you guys can see. So yeah, just a short video today guys. So just out the gold monster, and it's probably going to pour down rain soon. So just thought I would show you guys this, that the gold monster's a great machine, great bang for your buck, and it's proven to find some gold and also a lot of lead. Small lead, it picks up smaller lead than the SDC does, which is a given. So yeah, thanks guys. Hope you're all safe and have a good one. Righto guys, so I lied. I thought it was going to be a short video, but keep finding little bits of gold. So I've found another little picker with this monster. So try and get him to focus. Some really nice specimens coming out of here. There we go. So, really nice. And just to show you what it sounds like on the through the speakers. It's pretty obvious. So happy days. Alright guys, live dig. A really nice gold sound. So I'm going to dig it up for you. Hopefully you can see it. Just got my tripod on there. So let's get into it. And hopefully I can find it real easy, real quick. But probably won't. Oh, there we go. It's in the scoop. So now it's a matter of process of elimination. There we go. Now, just a quick tip. You always want to slow down when you're doing this, because you can go like that and the coil won't pick it up, and then you just flick that off and then you've dropped your target. So it's always good to slow down when you're doing that. It's not in that. Still there. Now I am probably doing this back to front because the coil cord is there, but I'm left-handed, so anyway, it is what it is. It's whatever works for you. There's no hard and fast rules for this. And here it is. It's a little tiny bit of bird shot. Boom! I don't know if you can see that, but that's a pity. Sounded good, especially after that big specie over there. Anyway, can't win them all. On to the next one. Alright everyone, so it's got this nice signal here. It'll probably be the last signal of the day because it's starting to rain. But as you can see, see, it's not a bad sounding signal. So we'll dig it up, see what it is, and probably get rained on. And hopefully you can see that. I can't change the zoom, but or the focus rather. Oh yeah, it does get it. Alright, so not a bad one at all. Alright, thanks for zoom. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. There's my ugly face. Yeah, and like and subscribe and all that jazz. But hope to see you out here in the bush sometime too. So wherever you are, thanks for tuning in. This is what gold sounds like in a jar. And we'll see you on the next one. Alright guys, so I was just packing up and started to rain heavily, and I thought I'd do a little bit more. And just in here, the gold monster, it didn't, there's like this rust here, it didn't pick the rust up, but I was getting a signal in there. So I'll take you over and I'll show you. Pulled out these nice nuggets here. And I'll just weigh them up real quick because it's starting to get a bit heavy rain now. So if I just tear that, maybe you can see, oh you can see that. I'll throw these on, see how much they weigh. That one's 0.22, 0.43. So I'm pretty happy with that. Just packing up, and I thought I'll do a quick swing over that, a bit of a quick scrape and a swing, and look at that, pulled out 0.5 gram nearly. So no worries, catch you later.